So today I am here in Lakeland. I am an hour away from Orlando. So I'm here, we're visiting family in Orlando and in Lakeland. So right now I'm with my sister at Lowe's and we're checking out their plants. And man, do they have a bunch of goodies here. Look at all these. They have so many. Look at these big super bums. They're so pretty. I think these are the super bums because that's what they look like. Pentendrum. The pentendrum. They're big, guys. Look at my hand. They have so many pretty ones. Look at that one. Look at how that one stands up. It's so pretty. Let's see what else they have. Look at this. Look at how big this moon cactus is. And they have a lot of the mimicries. These are pretty too. These dark ones. Those are really pretty. I like those deep colors. And look at this one. I think this is the tiger's jaw. Is it jaw or claw? Yeah, jaws, but it's variegated, guys. So cute. It's variegated. I'm thinking about that one. And then let me see if this one has a name so I can tell you because I really like this one. What is it called? A Crassula plat. Let me just show you the name of it because I can't read it. There it is. So that's that one. So this is the Lowe's in Lakeland. Lots and lots of goodies. So if you're in Lakeland, it's a good time to come hit up Lowe's. Let's see. I was hoping to find some stuff in clearance, but I didn't see anything. Look at these here. Oh, I really like this one. You know, this looks, I know it looks similar to the panda and the chocolate, but this rosette is pretty big, so it looks different. Let me see if it has a different name. Oh yeah, it's Calicoy black tie. This is a nice one too. That's nice. Ooh, look at this one. This is a big one. Is this some variegated as well? No, this is normal. But it's got some hint there of purple. It's a big one. Yeah, they have some cute stuff here. Ooh, what's this? Echeveria. Looks like some type of agavoides. I'm not sure. And they have lots of plants with the flowers. Okay, so on the way out, I spotted some more. These are so nice. Let me look at the price for you guys. So this is $30. That's a little pricey, but I mean, you get a decent amount of plants, but still. Look at the cute pineapple, guys. And then you have these. You already seen these at the other Lowe's previously. Look, these are the ones that I bought that were on clearance, remember? But they obviously look better here for now. And then these are the ones that you just drop in a basket for $20. I feel like this is a better deal than the other option that they were giving you over there. I guess somebody was trying to fit this in here. Wow. Look at that pretty aeonium. So pretty. I like this arrangement. And fire sticks. And then here, let's see. Oh, I think these are the baskets, guys. These are the baskets. No, these are $20. Those are not the baskets. But these are this is the same size basket I got for $11 during my birthday time. When it was my birthday and I had gone to Lowe's, they were that price. And that's it. I was hoping to find some decent clearance, but they didn't have any cactus on clearance or succulent. Look, this is the topsy-turvy. I think that's it, guys. I'm going to show you what I'm going to get. So, and it's gonna mean more because I'm always gonna remember that I got it with my sister. I got this pretty cool looking echeveria. I don't know the name, and I really like it because the leaves have a little curl into them, and the colors are really pretty. And then this aeonium is awesome. And then, guys, you know I have a weakness for things in odd numbers, and I like when I find things in trios. So I really like this cactus. It's really pretty, and it's called, here, I'm not even gonna try. That's the name. Anyways, guys, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys. You have a blessed day.